Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial vinyl cutter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VAVER 34-inch vinyl cutter plotter. This smart vinyl cutter machine offers trusted performance with robust specifications. With a maximum paper feed of 34 inches, 870 millimeters, and a cutting width of 31 inches, 780 millimeters, it ensures versatility for various projects. Its repeated cutting accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters and cutting thickness of 0.04 inches, 1 millimeter, guarantee precision in every cut. The digital control panel, illuminated LCD screen, and large control panel simplify the sign-making process. Compatible with COMPIM, USB interface, and U-Disc port, it offers easy connectivity options. However, it's important to note that this machine is not compatible with the Mac system. One customer wrote, "It's amazing. Cuts great, easy to use, large cutting zone. Definitely recommend." Moving on at number 4, we have the Cricut Maker Vinyl Cutter. Business owners in the market for a new vinyl cutting machine may want to consider this Cricut Maker that's backed by over 1,700 5-star reviews. The Cricut Vinyl Cutter doesn't just cut vinyl but leather, balsa wood, and scores of other materials. It's also capable of foiling, debossing, writing, engraving, and scoring. What's more, the Cricut Design Space software is free of charge and can be downloaded from the brand's website. This Cricut Maker cuts either non-smart materials if a mat is used or smart materials without the mat. It works via Bluetooth or USB and connects to most home printers. One customer, who had no prior experience using a Cricut Maker, bought this Cricut vinyl machine for their business and wrote, "I have had it for 3 weeks and have printed over 200 mini vinyl clothing labels and it worked great." At number 3, we have the Vevor Vinyl Cutter. Smaller businesses that lack the space for a large vinyl cutter will appreciate the compact design of this small vinyl cutter from Vevor. The 3 blades make a clean straight edge cut when cutting vinyl or other materials. It's the best vinyl cutter machine for the price and it has a fairly small footprint. Features such as SignMaster software, incorporated carriage design, and heat transfer capabilities make it an even greater investment. Although it's small, this machine can cut dozens of marketing materials, including stickers, logos, and signs. Easy to use if you have experience with a cutter, explained one shopper. Comes with industry standard software. It's a workhorse. Can keep going for 8+ hours a day with no complications. At number 2, we have the Roland Vinyl Cutter. You get what you pay for with the features of one of the best vinyl cutters from Roland. The Cam 1GS24 desktop cutter is the right vinyl cutting machine for cutting materials quickly, 20 IPS to be exact. It has 10x overlap cutting that can cut sandblast material, twill, heat transfer vinyl, and even magnetic materials for optimal creativity. Other included features are the Roland DG Cut Studio software, a stand for holding rolled media, and a 3-year warranty. This is also one of the few cutters where the Roland DG Cut Studio plugin Adobe Illustrator works with the Mac OS operating system. And finally at number 1, we have the Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro Vinyl Cutting Machines. The Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro can cut up to 100 different types of materials with its 24-inch cutting width. It comes with Silhouette Studio software, a cutting mat, and an auto blade sketch pen adapter. A rotary blade can be purchased separately. Some materials such as heat transfer vinyl, stickers, or other line supplies don't require the use of the mat. There are also built-in rollers that help secure thinner materials and reduce the likelihood of sliding. Unit is very large as expected for cutting size, explained one customer. You will need a dedicated space as it is not light enough to move easily. Feed roller included and very convenient. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.